In this video, we are going to talk about how to start dropshipping with Clickfunnels and Shopify 2022. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. When it comes to selling things online, Clickfunnels and Shopify are undoubtedly the two most well-known and widely utilized systems. Two programs designed to assist all users in doing online business by achieving and enabling the attainment of goals, particularly in the sale of both physical and non-physical goods. Here's a list of the how to start dropshipping with Clickfunnels and Shopify 2022. Let's start. Clickfunnels versus Shopify. Price comparison. Both Clickfunnels and Shopify, as expected, require certain financial resources. When you consider all of the benefits that come with using the various all-in-one services, these resources are not excessive. It is well understood that an internet business, like any other type of store, is a long-term investment. When should you use Shopify? Instead, Shopify is an excellent option for building your own e-commerce website for dropshipping and other purposes. Again, no coding knowledge is required. This is a significant benefit for everyone who engages in physical activity and wishes to make their products known to the entire world. When should you use Clickfunnels? Clickfunnels should be used primarily because it is a wonderful tool for locating a large potential consumer base. Every internet business needs the broadest possible user base. In order for the long-awaited earnings to arrive, funnels come to our aid in this regard. Thanks for watching.